My name is Yannick Fourastier. Let's talk about Industry 4.0. How to transform your journey into a success story. I lead Code Europe, strategic consulting firm established in Europe and deploying in Africa to Russia Federation. Of my career, I worked at Airbus. Last years, I was driving digital industry for the group. Then I moved to Bombardier, chief digital officer to drive the Industry 4.0 journey. But my Industry 4.0 journey starts far before. In France, south of France, this corner, near the Pyrenees, close to the Atlantic Ocean. There, in the early years of my career, I was working, There, in the early years of my career, I was working for a chocolate factory, Lindt, modernizing the production line. What meant at this time? We were producing traditional tablets, the squared chocolate, milky chocolate one. The same as Nestlé, Poulain, Kraft, Suchard, and so on. All the competition producing the same. Battle on the prices. Modernizing the production line meant digitizing. We shifted the standards. We diversified the tastes. Alignment with the marketing definition of the production meant we can deploy the recipe we want with the configuration file on the production line, load balance the line, and run the batch we want with the size we want. Feeding the market on demand. Okay, we make the recipe digital. We know to produce new recipes, change the mold, and have sweets. Your partner life like surprise. Just adapt the sweet. We did that in 1997. In that time, with the heavy smell of the chocolate of the factory, when back home, my wife was calling me a chocolate. I'll let you imagine. Industry 4.0 is now, since years. The digital chocolate is something concrete. Industry 4.0 is concrete, nothing abstract. And fact is, it was delicious. Manufacturing of chocolate. All the competition doing the same. Transformation, innovation, disruption, and lead the competition. Or do nothing, and the competition will bring you to crash. Stop questioning. It is about strategy, marketing, industrial alignment, method, discipline, efforts to change, to succeed. The studies brings us information. Productivity growth is positively correlated to digitalization. Let's observe the figures. McKinsey observes 10% average growth over 5 years. We are not talking about 5 or 10 companies. We are talking about dozens of thousands of companies. 10% average EBIT growth over 5 years. That's huge. Transforming physical world to digital world brings payback. OECD figures now. What payback? 10 to 12% savings of operating cost. That means free cash flow. You increase your treasury. With treasury, you can operate new areas of improvement. You can explore new markets. You can go international. How to make that? Productivity. Thanks to digitalization, you are increasing your productivity by 7 to 12%. That means you are augmenting your throughput. With throughput augmentation, you are increasing your production. You can insert marketing tests, new flavors to the market. And with market tests, you can customize your product. You can enhance your margin. 10 to 15% of revenues increase. This is your profit. This is wealth. Or you can do nothing. This is a choice. What's that? Do nothing. Catastrophe. This one has happened in Paris 6 years ago. End of the day, back to the office at rail station. Do nothing. Lack of maintenance. 6 months inspection were noticing the lacks, the failures to fix. Procrastinating attitude leads to safety hazard, death and victims. Let's talk about signaling for zero and maintenance for zero at railway. We can prevent that. So, let's move on. How to proceed? There are many ways. Many ways. Choose your boat. This one is the Galactic Star. The boat manufacturer loves relax, pleasure, and Red Sea. As us, but the Red Sea for him means competition. How to differentiate? Go to immersion. The boat manufacturer proposes to visit the product before the manufacturing. Cost saving. And we have the experience of the boat. Visiting virtually the boat, we can co-design with the marketing team and the designers. Having the virtual reality immersion, we can go to the boat visit. And then the engineers can develop the product in a way it is operable. Yeah. No. Yes. Engineering 4.0 is the second phase of Industry 4.0. The first one was sensing. At Engineering 4.0, we are collaboration. We are designing all the disciplines on the virtual mockup, populating the model. Populating the model means we are maturing the definition. And then we are ready to print fast, having virtually tested every option we can do. Simulation is important there. Ready to print? Let's go. Technology allows us to print, even a boat. Usually it takes 2 months to produce a boat. Now you order the boat the Monday, and with 3 days printing, you have your boat. The Saturday, with the engine fit and the cockpit installed, you can go fishing. 2 months, 5 days. Digitalization of the product. Here, the cockpit of the Sybaris. At operations, you are also digitalist. What means digitalization here? The cockpit of the Sybaris is a ship, a big ship, is clear, clean, and all the functions are back to the captain, and the job of the captain is evolving. The same, the job of the machinist is evolving. The same, all the maintenance crew has its job evolving. We need less maintenance crew aboard to run the ship. But that means we are not reducing the people. We are translating people from maintenance to service. We are shifting the value aboard. We are increasing the standard. We are business leaders. We have 3 levers to actuate, to make our business working well. The offering leadership. Offer the best-in-class product and services to our market. Customer intimacy. Nurture the closest relation with our customer. Get their feedback. Sense the demand. Adapt the product or the service. And then deliver the best value for the offering price. Industrial excellence is a matter of Industry 4.0. Customer intimacy is a matter of Industry 4.0. And thanks to Industry 4.0, we can enhance our offering. That supports our leadership on the market. Industry 4.0 is industry. What is industry? Jean Tirole, the Economic Nobel Prize 2014, tells us industry is the economic organization that supply a demand. Industry 4.0 is the virtual transformation of the industry. How many of you reduce industry to just manufacturing? We talked about sensing 4.0, co-design 4.0. Manufacturing 4.0 is actually an element. Let's talk about supply chain 4.0. Delivery with drones. Logistic control towers. Multimodality management. Virtual inventories. Maintenance 4.0 is not just predictive maintenance powered by AI. There are other services. And then Service 4.0, enhance the value. All of that produce digital ecosystem. We are shifting our economies to economy of platform. Industry 4.0 is a new model of economy. How to make it? Digitalization journey consists with an agile, lean approach. Low the risk. How to proceed? At the value chain, whatever the initial phase, we talk the same language. First, we imagine. Then we build. And then we scale. Hey, nothing revolutionary. We are doing that since we cut the stones. With discipline, method, and effort, we can run sprint to solution, empathizing with the user, then looping the solution design to fit with the problem. Then startup approach to race to the market with lean and agile development in order to succeed the solution to fit with the market. Test our business model. Then scale. Rush to the profit with growth hacking and solution maturation to seduce and convert more customers. Challenge the business model. Is Industry 4.0 only digital and technology? We just talked about economy, business model, user, customer. Industry 4.0 is human. First is centricity. Experience centricity, human centricity. We focus on the human. Let's have an example with what we did at Railway. This is the Gojo app, developed by Bombardier. Thanks to this app, the passenger is informed with what is on the traffic. He can book his ticket. There is ad. Okay, this is new value or new profit for the Dutch Bahn. You are informed what is happening on your trip. There are options proposed to change the route. And if you are late, you are directly with the form to request the refunding. All in one app. Is that so easy? No. You rely on an infrastructure that is pretty complex. But a good integration, good technologies, efforts, engineering, expertise is adding the complexity to the user. And the user, the passenger, has an experience of fluency, easiness, and everything going good. This is value for the provider. The digital twin connects the physical world to the virtual world. Let's have a look at manufacturing. With augmented reality at operations, the worker doesn't need to be an expert. The knowledge is displayed in the context. Knowledge is everywhere. Industry 4.0 is the knowledge economy. At modeling, at manufacturing, at services. End-to-end, all over the value chain. We are talking about robotics. Everywhere, automation. Where is the human? The human is in the immersion cave, teaching the robots to do their job. The human is focused on quality. The human is focused on the value. Is the technology able to be focused on the value? Yes, too. But as of today, the technology is not doing the trade-off regarding the value. This is human. And this is important to liaise with what value means for human. Industrial excellence is the other level on which Industry 4.0 actuates. It is to deliver the best value for the offering price. It is technical competitiveness and cost effectiveness. How to proceed? Let's be pragmatic. 5 pillars. Digital quality management system, performance management, predictive maintenance because we can improve concretely the way of working with having the availability. Throughput increase with optimization and automation and operating the logistics in a digital way. Let's have a look at Bombardier. How does it work? Here, the fall of Montreal. In this fall, there is the assembly of the C-Series, former C-Series, now the A220 of Airbus. There, it is everything orchestrated. The parts, even EV ones, are translated from their stocks to the assembly. The MES is orchestrating all these elements together with managing the rendezvous with the people. At the initial rendezvous, there are all the instruments available. And then, the flow of the production is fluent. Smart tools are there to apply the right torque on the wings fixation with recording. Quality means safety. What to remember from this speech? Industry 4.0 is a new economy. Digitalization, it is human-centric. Industry 4.0 is a journey that is achievable. And payback is strong. lets your business fly high and safe. Spasiba.